What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's, back with another informative video. And today we are going to be reviewing the LumaStrip peel and stick LED lights. You can do, as you can see, up to 65 inches. This thing can go around a TV. It's a total of 6.5 foot of, I guess, wire or connection. You can see it has multiple colors, full color, spectrum, dimmable LED, and it says easy to use, remote settings, USB powered. So that means I can plug it into my dongle right here. So I'm gonna show you guys it actually working. Yeah, you can use it for a car. See that? You can use it for inside the car, pretty much anywhere. And I'll tell you where I got this particular one from. I didn't get it from a site. I actually got this from Walmart. Just happened to be in the store on one of the aisles where I was shopping at. It's actually on the food aisle. And that's how they get you. They're really good at knowing where to put these type of things at. They like, if you don't go to the electronics section, we're going to put it in the food section. Smart of them. Good marketing tool. I just happened to see it. My daughter saw it, so we figured we'd get it. I thought it was going to be a piece of crap. It's $5. I may be wrong. Let's get into the unboxing and see what we got. Nothing else in the box. I know people, I don't know why people weird and want to look at the box. There's nothing else in there. Everything comes in this packaging. This little see-through little packaging, and we just pull it out piece by piece. So we got it says it. Aura. That's the controller, all the colors. Come with warning. It says with a 500 milliamp power draw. Wow. So directions, and then it comes with, just a book, another part of the booklet, and then it comes with the LED strip that you plug into this. And I'm going to come back in a few seconds and I'm going to actually show it hooked up, okay? I'll be right back. What's good, Ghost Gang? It's your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's, back with another video. As you can see, we finally got this thing to work. And I will tell you right off the bat from experience, you got to make sure you pull the piece of little plastic from out of the bottom of it, because that'll throw a light in your ticker that something ain't working. And I got this little charge cord, and you can see mine's lit up. Shows the charging. And it'll basically keep charging and give him supplying power to this as long as you have it hooked into here. I love these little blocks. This is about a 15,000 milliamp. Let me see. Actually, I ain't going to lie to you. This 10,000 milliamp. So it will last pretty much all day long. So we're going to get into it. We're going to cut it on. You got to make sure you're aiming it at the transmitter. So, bow! There you have it. You want to hold it, Livy? Hold it up. Okay, so hold it up. So, there's green, blue, orange, a different kind of orange, red, and then you can dim it and brighten it. I don't know if it is or if it's dimming and brightening, because I don't know too much about these things. Oh yeah, it's getting dimmer. Now let me brighten it. I don't know if it's getting brighter. Can y'all tell? Can y'all tell if it's getting brighter? Yeah, I can tell it's getting brighter. Let's do another color. Ooh, you can really tell. Okay, there's green, dark blue. Here, you want to mash one? Mash it. You gotta aim it at this.
Hold it for me.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Okay. You gotta aim it at this. No, this little transmitter right here. Aim it at it. What color you gonna push? Red. Go ahead, push it. Push it in good. You gotta push it. You gotta push it good. You gotta go like this. Blue. Look at that. Alright guys, so boom, and that's off, on, off, on, off. It works really good. Sit down, baby. Sit down. So, with this being said, this was $5 and some change, because there's taxes. but you can obviously see what it does. And like I said, it's 6 foot. I'm probably gonna take and put this around my TV possibly. But yeah, and it comes with this sticky stuff on the back, and you just take it off and stick it right on. Hold on, let us finish the video. But I'm probably gonna stick this maybe on my TV and plug it into the back of my TV. See how it works. I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the unboxing. You can see the kind it is, LumaStrip. Go get you one at Walmart today, $6. I love you guys. Make sure you keep subscribing, keep watching, keep commenting. I love you. This Ghost 2 T's, and what? We out.